can't fault them. I've used them before, no hesitation in using them a second time. We had a consultant out to discuss what kind of ideas and what I was looking for. I kind of gave them a budget to work within. We tweaked about a wee bit, but at the end of the couple of hours he was here, we were quite happy that we'd found something that he was able to do. It was in that price range and it was exactly what it was I was looking for, so no problems. The joiners were absolutely fantastic. There'd been a couple of wee issues with what they'd been asked to do from the survey compared to what they could actually do. Nothing was a problem, they dealt with it all, they got in touch with the office, they sorted it all, and actually the problems that they sorted made the kitchen nicer than what the survey was going to show it was anyway, so fantastic workmen, couldn't fault them. Again, very neat, tidy, friendly. A couple of people that I know that I work for are thinking about getting a new kitchen, and I've already said to them, get DM Design, get a quote, see what they're offering. The kitchens last, they're clean, they're tidy, it was done and dusted in 2 days. It's very inconvenient to have it going on longer when I've got my parents here, so the 2 days is fantastic. I certainly would use them again if I was ever doing another kitchen, which hopefully touch wood I won't be, but I certainly use them again.